Hello, everybody. This is Sasha Monique Talks. Hello, my friends. Well, my friends, I have a product that I'm going to review today. This is a collaboration, and it's the InWash Scent Booster Beads Fresh Essence. 100% botanical extracts, dye-free, preserves, colors, long-lasting freshness. This is a nice size container, right? This, let me see, it's HE compatible. It has long-lasting freshness. Freshness lasts for 18 weeks. Look at that, look at that, look at that. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about these scent beads. It's plastic-free usage. The product is designed to ensure that no plastic waste is generated during use. Sustainable packaging. We utilize completely recyclable materials, minimizing environmental impact. That's pretty good. It has a charming wooden scoop. Okay. So I'm going to open it up and smell it. Let me see the fragrance again. It says fresh essence, but it's a bit of a floral, to me, a floral mixing with a lemony smell. It smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. So I was glad to get this. Y'all know I love laundry products. I love it, I love it, I love it. And this is my first collaboration with laundry products. Usually I do other products, but y'all know I love scent beads and all the other laundry products. Oh, that smells so good. Let me see, can I find the scoop that they're talking about? I'm knocking this stuff up out of here. Oh, that is nice. That's a nice scoop. See there? This is nice. I'm going to keep this when the product is gone, you know? Let me keep this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going into the laundry room. Okay? And I'm using a generic laundry detergent because it's not about the laundry detergent this time. It is about these scent beads. Okay? And I'm anxious to use this. It's cruelty free. And no harsh chemicals. So let me see how many scoops it takes for a small, okay. Small load is 1 scoop. Medium load is 2. Large load is 3 scoops. Okay. You can adjust the amount based on clothes thickness and fragrance preferences. Oh, wow, that smells good. Scent lock technology. Okay, so I will meet you in the laundry room and I'll tell you what I think about this product. I will come back up here and tell you how the clothes smell. I'm in a public laundry area and I don't want everybody to see what I'm doing, okay? I will come back up and tell you what I feel about these scent beads, okay? They say you can't use this in a, this is for washing machines only. You can't use it like hand washing and stuff like that. Okay, so I will be back, y'all. So here I am in the laundry room with the Freelivity InWash Scent Booster Beads. Boy, I was glad to get these. So I sorted my clothes already. I have a large load of light clothes, white clothes, And so I'm trying out this product and see how I like it. So here I am with the InWash Scent Booster Beads. And that scoop really comes in handy. I'm adding 3 to the wash because I have a big bag of, like I said before, the light and white clothes. But you can add as much as you want to, but that was a suggestion for the large loads. Okay. Okay, I'm back from the laundry room. I used 3 scoops of this because I had a large, I just had 1 bag of laundry, but it was a large bag of laundry. So I am only showing you a few pieces to let you know how this smells on the material. The company is Freelivity. It is Freelivity. Okay. InWash Scent Booster Beads. Fresh Essence. So let me smell this material here. I didn't put them in the dryer because a lot of my clothes I like to hang to dry. It is a fresh scent. It smells so good. It smells so good. Smells so good. So nice and clean. It's not a super perfumey smell, but it's just right. It is just right. And I know a lot of people that don't like the real strong scent beads, but this smells just right. And I'm sure it's going to smell even better when I dry it. I'm going to put it on my little rack and let it dry. But yeah, this is a nice product here. I like it a lot. And like I said, they said it's going to last, long-lasting freshness. Okay, to get a product and there's no harmful chemicals and stuff like that, this is a good buy. You're getting a nice size container here. You saw that scoop in there. So I definitely suggest that you get some of this. I'm going to leave the link down in the description box and try it and see, what you feel about this product, okay? All right, so that is my review of is by Freelivity InWash Scent Booster Beads, okay? Fresh Essence. So y'all have a wonderful day, okay? Bye.